You talked to us, and you also talked about national unity. But the word that you used was dialogue. And the word that you used was that whoever is in power should be given time to rule and manage whatever they have been given. I stand with you. We have a president in this country, Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto. My stand is that we must support him. He has only been there for 6 months. I'm an expert in management. I was in charge of personnel management for this country for very many years. I was a program director for Kenya Civil Service Reform Program for more than 9 years. You cannot start looking at somebody's performance, somebody who hasn't even done 6 months. You can't do that. So let's be fair, let's give our president time. He's an extremely intelligent fellow. I'm sure, 100% sure that he will change this country. Ngira nega seito na arorire nka ntararu Burai chena abatebetie ngachora abantu baratokonye county eni na arorire ebintu ebinge ebindo okororanga n'obonyira bono gose kinkipi ebinde bikobekwa binga buna chisinema ebintu bisinema bire twako abantu atikorenga twalenga abake na karuri mbaga baba kwanda babeke sinema yalinya kweli nyakongo twali ko minyoko sakinde twaja paka marani chisinema bune iki abeke nje ngendo ko boli bali murese chikazi mwairwe gazi gaki koranche ogwake iruchikura una bono Richard kwarengo muchumbe ga yakitu chache north kero kwachiete mate yonda achete ga jimi Kibina yete kunya kubwati ubunyira bwawo sikende kyose. Kutega achiete nera ganse biyayi. Agachaka nebintu biyayi. Naye bona kwa ruo mumro yondo choro nere nebintu biyayi akora agokora. Ototage tebuna bona nyagitari ya marana letega. Nyagitari yengiya ebwate bitanda 100. Nkareta pake mochari ga marani. Kimoranje ga kiricha deseneta yaitu. Genda mubaboli abayi Burai barosi marani bareta abantu nari kuja koreta kolekianje na ruoro kero ya erire bareta abantu bakurwali bareta amaliyogoro ikyare bwate bitanda close to 100. A mortuary area is the best mortuary. Ebwate very good equipment ikyare mungina amoping oseng kore na tebete ko letera ruonga tebange iguru amoping ano akabekire angegai kiara abantu gwikatosire igyo bintu nebyo na bingo koboria bintu nebyo mugambia gwanete kogenda bwati na begete gali gusonga beke mother child esabangina na abana bakoenda kurwa the best in Western Kenya ere chigoroba gose 8 ebwate chilifti 3 ebwate chithieta gose 4 etagete kobeke rwebinto kimuranje ga kisenetone genda bwati ebintu ebyo libagamo kune bwati ebintu bino mokoletera abantu sinema ebintu ga ebintu bitako make sense bwati ebintu ebyo tiganko delega unche mbata ebiganga egendo kyomo ali abagetutu ga kikobalikire county ne banga nongwao baligete tako baminyoki mono ga Richard tigabatigwe na abagetutu aba na abamino naigwe to mwana ne nalembe to obegeto direct kurwanya ke irinda rumatebere taraji ko butu naigwe tengo Urusi buonere ngano yo so Ongwae oyo ndega gana to jiko butuega na go orutire somewhere obisiere kona igeta liko make sense abaiga baya tigas kuruga gena murwanirira abantu bamino mo make sure manga nditabaze kwa minyoki ekiyagera mugitutu nere naino mugitutu nere ndayenchuko na bwenyumbe ne gagusi kimoranje Richard uno museneta amangana ali amangana tiga abantu bakolega sikimoranje please gaki na gusabira tiga abantu bakolega. I thank you very much. Ninde ready go karabo akole rinde toru na inde ndwege tokyane. Thank you very much. Nyasaye abakonya abantu ba minto and be blessed. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Governor.